Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do if you're a working colorist or a working professional who's afraid to download a beta. Like Resolve 18 right now is a beta, right? So there's going to be a lot of kinks, a lot of issues with this early release. So if you want to upgrade, here's what you need to do first. First of all, there's a lot of things that we absolutely hate about Premiere Pro, right? That's why a lot of people switch to Resolve or Final Cut 10. Premiere is unreliable, all that stuff. One thing that Premiere does, or Adobe does, that is incredible is that they let you have multiple versions of the same software on your machine. And you can easily launch into, Premiere whatever, 2014 compared to 2022, whatever have you. That is not the case with Resolve. Anytime you upgrade your Resolve, you lose the previous version. So that makes it really annoying. But more importantly, this is what you need to do before you even start your Resolve, okay? Because here's what's gonna happen, right? So let's go ahead, kick on Studio 18. So let's just say you downloaded Resolve 18, whether it's the studio version or the free version. Let's kick it on and see what we will be greeted with, okay? So this is what you see. So where are all your projects? Like, what happened to everything? You can click on this little hamburger thing, and what it's going to do, is it a hamburger? Whatever. Click on this little submenu thing. It's going to pop open this area right here. When you look at it, what it's doing is that it's showing you your Resolve 17 database. But if I click on it, look at the message, upgrade your project library. Do not do this. Don't do this, because once you upgrade your library, it's not backwards compatible. So if you have some pressing projects that you are doing right now and they need to go out ASAP, and if Resolve 18 just doesn't work out for whatever reason on your machine, you will be just screwed, okay? So instead, what you need to do is this. Let's go back here. This is the database it's referring to. So what I'm going to do is simply right-click, and then I'll say duplicate, okay? And I've already gone ahead and did that. So whether you're on Windows or Mac, the story is going to be the same. So then I went ahead, it created a DR17 database space copy. So I renamed it to DR18. So once that's done, you have to do one more thing. Then go back in Resolve, and where is my database? Why isn't it showing here? You need to tell it where it is. So just click on Add Project Library. And instead of creating, we're connecting to the database that we already copied from the other database from Resolve 17. So here we can just name it whatever, right? So I'm going to go ahead and call it DR18 DB for database. Then we have to locate that database. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to locate that database DR18, okay? That was copied from 17. And now I'm going to hit open and I'm going to hit connect and then just give it a minute. So it's going to take a little bit, and you might even see this beach ball. Don't think that, anything is wrong. Like, as you can see now, all my projects from Resolve 17 came through into Resolve 18, and I'm leaving my Resolve 17 database intact once again. If something goes wrong with 18 and I want to uninstall Resolve 18 beta and go back to 17, I wouldn't have to do anything. It will automatically connect to database 17 and I'll be good to go. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any suggestions regarding the new features in Resolve 18, let me know in the comment section below. And guys, do not forget to check out my free training. This is a 1 hour long training that's going to take you through all of these things. It also comes with tons of freebies. So you're going to get the practice footage. A lot of you guys asked for the practice footage. So that is going to be included in this training, along with power grades and some of the LUTs created by me. All of that you can get by signing up. Link is going to be in the description. Like I said, absolutely free training. If you're enjoying the content, do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesomeness, and stay possessed. I will see you guys in the next video.